Alright guys, so I'm gonna come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Cordless Impact Wrench. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Very nice toolbox that it comes in. Let's go and open it up. User manual for it. It's got the charger. 2 batteries for it, 20mm socket for it, and then the actual tool itself. On the battery, I don't want to show you, it does show you the battery percent right on there. Let's just go ahead and hook it up real quick. It has different intensity levels right here, depending on how you're using it, but let's go ahead and actually test it out and see how it works. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a new cordless impact drill, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.